Hey everyone, welcome back to Rocky Ridge Auto. Today we're checking out this 2023 Honda CRV Sport Hybrid. Let's go ahead, hop inside, and take a look at the features. Inside you can see that it has 52,000 miles. Access things within the instrumental panel over here on the left hand side, as well as your radio settings. So the right hand side is your cruise control settings, adaptive cruise control, nice and easy to use on the highway. Traction control off over to the side, and then you have your door, window, and mirror controls. Of course, blind spot warning so you and others can stay aware of things in your mirrors. Touchscreen display, it is clear in person, don't you worry about the glitch on the camera, but your main menu, you can scroll through these settings, see what you would like. Going into smartphone settings, you can see Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, connected phone, super simple, Apple Maps, Google Maps, have your phone right here in the screen. But other than that, you have AM and FM radio and super simple to navigate that. You do have climate controls down below here that do pop up on the screen, so you can have that pop up. And then you have heated seats for both the driver and passenger. Nice and simple to use. USB, USB-C charging ports, 12-volt plug-in, some storage. I love the amount of storage that you have in front of your gear shift. Not a lot of cars have that anymore, but here in the Honda you do. Drive modes, this is all-wheel drive, so don't worry about getting anywhere. You can go anywhere anytime, but your drive modes are sport, normal, econ, and snow. So those icy conditions, easy to conquer. Sports mode is those paddle shifters for the auto manual kind of feel. You got cup holders as well as your key fob here that has lock and unlock, remote start, and a trunk release, which is nice to use. Center console with some storage, easy to open up and store plenty of things within there. Sunroof up top, close it when you don't want it, but your controls are out front here to use that. You have a sunglass holder in front of that. Let's check out the back seats and trunk space. At Sports Touch, you have those orange stitching around this vehicle, which gives a nice touch. Have a middle seat that folds down to an armrest with cup holders, charging ports, 2 USB-C, air vents for everyone to stay comfortable. Nice little added touch of CRV on all of the doors. Let's check out the trunk space. Underneath here is your trunk space, a decent amount of cargo space for a SUV. You do have a 12-volt plug into the side and lighting settings so you can see in the dark. You can recline those back seats as well as put them down, and they're actually super simple to have at the same height. Recline, put down, easy as can be. Underneath here is your battery and things like that for the hybrid system. And with that, I think that wraps up everything for this Honda CRV today. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us, but I will see you in the next one. Have a fantastic day. Bye.